Here at McVeigh Physical Therapy, we look to prevent injury as well as treat your injuries. We're including this golfer's warm-up on our website to help you hopefully prevent injury as you begin golf when the season starts in the spring. We're going to start with a stretch for your back and hips. You're going to begin by putting the golf club behind your back. Your arms are draped around the golf club as you see here. You're going to rotate to one side and hold that for 15 seconds. Then you will rotate to the other side and hold that for 15 seconds. For demonstration purposes, we're going to do this once, but you'll repeat it 3 times on each side. The next is to help prevent injuries at the elbow. We're going to do some wrist stretching for muscles that pass over your wrist and your elbow. The first one is to prevent golfer's elbow. You're going to extend your hand and bring your fingers up, bending your wrist, and hold that for 15 seconds. You'll repeat that 3 times for each hand. Then we're going to go to a stretch that will prevent tennis elbow. Yes, you're not playing tennis, but it can happen with golfer's elbow with your swing. So you're going to point your fingers down, bending the wrist, and hold that for 15 seconds. And again, you will repeat this 3 times on each side. The next exercise, next stretch we're going to demonstrate is a hamstring stretch. You can place your foot up on a golf cart, or as you see demonstrated here, it can be on the ground. You can either put your hands on your hips, or you can place your hands just above the knee for a little bit more pressure. Remember to maintain the proper arch in your back, just as we've demonstrated here, the correction. And you will hold that for 15 seconds. And again, 3 times on each leg. And now we're going to show you a stretch for your posterior shoulder. This is going to allow for follow-through and backswing. It's called a pitcher stretch, and you're going to bring your hand up and over your other shoulder, and with your other arm put a little bit of pressure on the elbow, and you should feel that stretch at the back of your shoulder. You're going to hold that for 15 seconds, and then you're going to switch to the other side, and you repeat 3 times on each side. Remember to keep your shoulder down and bring the elbow a little bit lower. And now we're going to move to some practice swings to help you warm up. You're going to start with a half swing, gradually increasing to a full swing, which we will not demonstrate here because of ceiling height. Now to increase the intensity, make this a little bit more difficult, this is what we call an I gotcha weight. You can slip it onto the golf club. The further down the club it is, the more difficult it makes the motion. And you can perform some practice swings with the weight on the club as well. And now you're warmed up and ready. Good luck.